Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert both side line arrow in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert both side line arrow. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu. You can add any slide. Now I am create the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now we go to the line section and find the both side arrow and select this. Now we can see here the double arrow line, then select. Then you can draw this arrow horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press shift on your keyboard to draw the arrow perfectly. Now we can see we insert or draw an double side line arrow. You can increase the width or change the color. Select the line arrow and go to the format menu. Select the shape outline option and change the color. Otherwise you can increase the width. Select the width option and increase the width. Now we can see we make a both side arrow very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.